Oriri murimu wa coronavirus uthiete na mbere guthingithia thi yothe kuri makiri ma Ohwo aria marari rumande thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia manini. Giki ni kiambiriria kieru thutha wa ruhonge rwa magoti guothe na marekereirio niguo kunyihia muhatikano wa Ohwo njera-ini itemi-ini ria kuhurana na murimu uyu ugwati. Njera-ini nene ya Nairobi mwena wa industrial area turacemania na Samuel Nyuto, murugamiriri munene wa njera guko mucii wa Nairobi. Mitaratara ya guthurima aria othe maraingira guku ni gacirithitio na imwe kwa imwe. Nyuto agatuonereria ithimi iria mundu arahitukira ari hamwe na guthimwo urugari na gwithamba moko.
And even the measures are tougher if you go inside the prison, because in addition to what you have seen, the temperature screening, the hand washing and the sanitizing, if you want to go inside the prison, there are the foot baths in addition to what you have seen.
Aratwira makiria ya kuingira kihingo-ini giki gutire mundu ona umwe uretikirio kuonana na Ohwo ona kana gutukana nao otiga aria makoragwo makimatungatira.
The only people who are gaining access are those officers who reside within here and not those who reside outside. I'm one of those who reside outside. I can also spread it if I get it from somewhere else.
Kinyagia riu Ohwo 735 aria marari rumande kuumana na mahitia manini hamwe na aria maratungataga kioho gia thi wa miaka 3 nio marekereirio kuinuka na Mihang'o ino no irathii na mbere guothe bururi-ini. No kurekererio kwa aya ti kuga mirango ya njera ni mihinge, kuona aria manyitikana na mahitia maritu no mararehwo. Nyuto agitutariria ati matiratukana na Ohwo aria age ona hanini.
We are calling them holding wards. We have a holding ward here with a capacity of 70 and currently we have 31. We also have a holding ward at Langata because of women, and they have only received one case of murder.
Ohwo aya ni maramukira mataro ma uria mafatie kwigitira murimu uyu na guthingata utheru mahinda mothe.
Service, we are trying everything that we can to ensure that we maintain the highest hygienic standards in our prison facility. Besides that, they have enough washing points, they have enough sanitizers. And in every entry to the cells and the accommodation blocks, we have the foot baths, we have the sanitizers. So we are also following the same. And anyone who has a complaint, we are checking the temperatures.
Thirikari itashukitie ikinya ria kurekereria Ohwo aya niguo kugeria kunyihia uhotekeku wa namba nene ya arwaru kungikinya murimu uyu ni watonya njera-ini.
Prison should be the last place we should get a person with COVID, because it did not start here. It started outside, and if it comes here, the consequences are dire, given the big population we have of the inmates.
Turamenyithio Ohwo aingi marekagiririo mathaa-ini ma rucini na urugamiriri wa njera niguo teithagiriria uria megukinya micii-ini yao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njutagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.